Hello kids, let's learn how to draw spinner. Let's get started. First I will draw 4 circles. Draw with me kids. Follow the instructions. Great! Yes, you are doing right. Now draw with me kids. Great! Our spinner is ready. Coloring time. I will choose orange color. You can choose your favorite color for your spinner. Great job! Now I'm going to choose light green color. Great! Our spinner picture is ready. Hope you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe.